Nanubabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Dolores, city of San Fernando, Pampanga.
Yes.
Particularly, US Amerikana. So this is actually an exclusive specialty shop. Yes.
Na all products are authentic from US.
Original from US. Guys, if you are interested with these kinds of items, no, mga stateside, all items coming from US, samahan niyo po kami sa video na to.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so yun guys, this section right here where I am right now is their shoe section. So we have Nike, Adidas, Colhan, Jordan. We also have Lacoste. Yan. Kagandahan dito, again, may mga may mga low prices talaga actually. It's what you see is what you get. Kumbaga, kung ano yung size nila dito, yun yung mga available sizes na available. This King James LeBron shoes. Galing. 2,700 pesos. Skechers memory foam. Oh, so let me open like this one. Colhan. Ayan. These are, casual formal. This one, I think, sabi ni Jan, ano daw to eh. Parang uso daw to eh. Sikat daw to, di ba? So, sa mga, sneaker collectors, you might find your next collection dito.
Alright, so available din naman dito, syempre sa mga for daddies naman. Meron tayong mga dito, polo shirt, Hugo Boss. Dito rin meron tayong mga jackets. Ayan, no? Adidas.
O yan is camouflage.
Levi's.
This one naman is
Artist Union.
galing. I like it.
Nice.
Now for the bags, eto meron tayong mga Guess, Coach, Calvin Klein. This one, mag-enjoy yung mga ladies dito. This section, dito sa side na to, are for men's naman. So these are wristwatch, shades, wallet, belts, yan, Timberland, Tommy Hilfiger, and then we have back bags, Adidas, Nike, Kate Spade. Alright, so let's check some items dito. Let me open it. Meron tayong shades and a wrist watch. Ang ganda nito. Look at that. Now this one is a Timex, 3,600 pesos. And guys, we also have this one is Fossil, Casio. Eto guys, Casio. Okay guys, so for this section, if you notice, meron tayong mga supplements. We also have candies and chocolates. We have makeup kits. Tingnan natin mga makeup. For sure, magugustuhan to ng mga ladies na kasama natin. So this one's a Revlon. Meron tayong Max Studio. What else? M&D, Ellen Tracy, Lip Spa. So this is yung mga mga mid-range na mga makeup collection natin. Now dito, meron tayong mga supplements like this Nature's Bounty, Vita Fusion, Kirkland. Oh, this one. So these are mga famous mga food, mga sardines guys. And then yung mga spices natin, di ba? This is a black pepper, red pepper, turmeric, pure sea salt, all in one. Salt, pepper, garlic. So that was the first room, mostly accessories, mga novelty items, foods and supplement. Now the other room naman, more on utilities like kitchenwares, containers. Tingnan na lang natin, tara. Right, bro, parang nakapagtingin-tingin ka na dito.
Yes, so itong place naman to is magugustuhan naman to ng mga mothers natin or yung mga mahilig magluto. So meron tayo dito yung mga pan, like meron tayo dito yung Le Creuset. Yan. Le Creuset. So this is a high-end pans na pwedeng iterno kung anong color na gusto mo. Yan. So meron din tayong mga sandok. Yan,
Wooden
sandok.
spoons, oh.
Wooden spoons, mga scoopers, pang measure, and yan. Meron din tayo dito syempre yung kanilang rice cooker and air fryer.
Yeah, one of the items here, guys, is tong Keurig na to. So, it's like a coffee maker. Yan. And may sasabihin si Jan actually.
So, tagal na natin, tagal na natin sinasabi. Ginagamit. Pero, ang thermos pala ay isang brand. So, di ba pag yung ginagamit natin yung mga kettle, hanapin mo yung thermos.
Hanapin yung thermos. So,
yan.
thermos is a brand.
Yan. So, pag kettle, thermos. Plastic plates natin. Yan. So, meron tayong Corel. Yan, mga plates, mugs. Ito yung mga usually mga makita natin sa mga kitchens natin.
Exactly. Ang dami nilang mga air fryer brands dito, guys. So, depende sa taste, depende sa kailangan mo, what size it, pwede yan. Meron sila dito, guys. Alright, so FYI tayo, guys, for your information. So, they also have a Shopee account where you can actually browse or catalog yung mga items natin dito. They are also active in Facebook. You can also message them if you're looking for a particular item, or meron silang tinatawag na parang pasabay. If you're looking for a particular item or brand, and then pwede nilang bilhin yun sa US. But before you do that, I think kung malapit lang naman kayo dito, you can go through or visit the shop. So there you have it, guys. Again, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Thank you so much US Amerikana for inviting us. Who would have thought? Ako, hindi ko alam na may ganito palang parang PX duty free, parang ganun, di ba?
So parang lumapit na yung US sa Pampanga.
And guys, if you're interested to know more about this, and active din po sila sa Facebook
and Instagram.
Yo!
US Amerikana is open from Monday to Saturday from 8:30 until 5:30 in the afternoon.
Alright.
So they're located dito sa may Aria building, Dolores. So pinaka-landmark lang po is just across nung Northwalk 2 or yung side ng 7-Eleven.
There you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.